Hi everyone! Can you believe that it is week 7? Do you know what that means? Next week is midterm week. Here are a few pointers. Number 1, study. The midterm is not to be taken lightly. Since you are being evaluated on your understanding of the material, it is vitally important that you truly understand at least 70% of the material to pass the class, which leads me to my next point. Apps enable you. So number 2, do not grow overly dependent on apps or widgets. Anything that will allow you to cheat so you don't have to really do your homework assignment. Take it from one of my former students.
What I would have done differently that I had done in this course was I would have stayed away from the math apps. I feel like at first when I wasn't using them, I did better in the course because I wasn't so much of lazy. I became dependent on the math apps instead of actually puzzling my brain and doing it on my own. And a lot of problems that I was having problems with, I would just go to the app and see how they would solve the problem and get the answer versus me trying to do it on my own. So I would say, word of advice, stay away from the apps. Yes, they do help, but in order for you to learn, stay away from the apps.
Number 3, take advantage of the problem-solving forum. It's there to help you. Post one of those problems that you were challenged by that you really do not understand so that your classmates can help you. This forum will count as a grade at the end of the course, so it's really not optional. So don't ignore it until the end of the course. Start now. Hopefully by now you have already scheduled your exam in ProctorU. So number 4, make sure you follow ProctorU protocol. Do not use MacBooks or Chromebooks for your ProctorU exam. So you may have to borrow a computer from someone else. So think about it. You have time to prepare. You have a week to figure it out. And lastly, log on to ProctorU during your scheduled exam to avoid any delays and technical issues. I hope you do very well on the midterm exam. Talk to you soon.